It is National Donut Day. I forgot to mention that.
Yay!
Yeah, go get those donuts, Eric. Let's see.
Coin's floor for today is 159.34, which it's currently trading below, and then it has an aggregate put wall at 152.54. So it closed below both of those, and it's just gone, as mentioned by everyone else.
Yeah, it's about to be gone. It's already gone. Look at this thing. On a 1 hour, stop selling here. What's your target you have to the downside if it loses that 152?
142.
Oh, wow. I have 141.48. That's crazy. There you go. This thing is dumb peruse.
The other day, Master took off and Coin kind of just sat there.
Well, I saw some news about something with Claude figuring something, breaking some code for
Zcash, which
the
is down
That was, yeah.
Zcash.
42%.
Yeah.
Poor
So,
Shy. Hope he got out.
so if Claude is doing that to Cardano and all of those, you should be careful with your crypto right now.
Yeah, and Heather, please try to refrain from calling people's names out who could be underwater. Please, we're not going to do that.
Sorry, he mentioned it in the space the other day.
Quite understandable, but please,
Of course.
thank you.
Yeah, Meta keeps coming to that 621 area and trying to bounce, but they're trying to play you.
I have if coin breaks 143, it can see 129.
And it's Friday.
Yeah, this is a big level for
Well,
coin to the downside.
I'm already in the 150s. I've been talking about it for the last couple of days. So yeah, feel free to chase it if you like. I'm just gonna chill it. Add some more micro strategy puts as well. So to me, that's actually trying to bounce. That's the one that you might want to try to get in, as opposed to trying to chase coin. But I mean, you do what you want to do. It's your money. Spend it how you want. JG Wentworth.
I just want it now, sir.
90 seconds to the open. Speak now or forever hold your peace. I'll be muting everybody in 60 seconds. Yeah, to me, the players to the downside on all crypto related things. I think AMD and Micron could possibly still like my AMD might be a really good put setup right here. Like I said earlier, if it can't clear that 487, if it can't hold that as support, then it's going to be a waterfall.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
GM
Good
Jim.
morning.
We're about to open, so we gotta wait until after open with whatever you're gonna share, bro. No shade.
No problem.
Man, I'm gonna be grabbing some Q puts out the gate.
Wow.
I'm gonna grab those 727s. What's up, Dave? How you doing, bro?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Just trying to get the levels. Bear with me. Jump in a trade. I'll let everyone know my levels.
Ticker, ticker, ticker. Coin 150 puts for today's zeros. 40 cents. Actually got filled at 35.
Yeah, I did good short and silver against my position. I took the 65s for next week. Those are pretty decent.
Nice opening push on Tesla off the 420 we talked about.
Wow, look at this bounce on
Ticker,
Meta.
ticker, 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 ticker. I'm gonna close out this the final runner on these on coin 170 puts up 360%. Still holding the 150s that expire next week. Those are currently up 35%. So yeah, coin to the bottom.
Yeah. Ticker, Meta. This bounce, it's over my level at 628.15. So we need to hold this level for continuation to the upside for Meta. Nice bounce here.
Ticker, ticker, ticker. Keep an eye on BMY. BMY. Keep an eye on BMY. I added the 58s that expired today on some lottos, letting those push. Um, Currently, those are up 80%, but let's just see if we can get the push. I'm also in the 60s for the Friday after next, and then I have the 62 and a half for July. So BMY, fully bullish. See how we can do.
Ticker SPX. I jump in 75.15 puts at 650. If it breaks, I'll tell you my level. If it breaks 75.50, I'll get out this as a loss. Stop loss is 75.50. I'm in put 75.15. SPX 0 DTs.
Ticker, J&J 240 call 717 up 70%. Trimming.
Nice. Also, I added the 250s for 618 for Johnson and Johnson. So let's go.
Ticker, master entering the 116 puts for today's zeros, 20 cents.
Just trimmed half of my RMSG position here at 370. Just got a pop to almost $4 on this. It's up over 220% RMSG.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab the 120s on those. That's been the initial plan anyway.
Um,
Actually, I got filled on master at 18 cents.
Walmart ticker WMT 125 calls for 717 up 135%. Movie stops up trim or don't. City 130 calls for 717 up 40%. Trim move your stops up. USAR $30 puts for today up 400%. All out. Yeah, boy. Oh. This thing is straight dumpster diving.
Ticker, 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 ticker. Finna eyeball the 490 puts on AMD.
Ticker SPX. I'm taking my profit at $8 and I'll be done for the day.
Yeah, long time no see, Dave. How you been?
Good. I took my profit. I'm done.
Let's go.
I'm good, man.
Good job, man. Good call on that one.
Nice
Thank you.
call.
Thank you.
Broadcom looked like it's about to have a 2-hour H pattern play out on Broadcom, so keeping an eye on that. About to take
Apple June 10 320 calls.
All right, guys. Have a good day. Speak to you guys
You as
later.
well,
I'll
bro. It's
talk to you
good
guys.
seeing you, man.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Dave.
try to get filled on these 397 and a halves on Broadcom. That looks full bear though. See if that can catch a pop.
Ticker coin. I jumped in the 150 puts for today. I am 35% currently.
Yeah, ticker. Coinbase 150 puts for next week up 44%, moving up stops. Also, I added those 150s for today. Also, I joined all you guys in that. Ticker. MicroStrategy 120 puts up 85% early. Let's see what we can do. Heather, I know you got to be up over 100%. You got the 16s?
I did, yeah.
Ticker on QQQ. I have 723.22 is our next target.
I'm up 161%.
Let's go. Yeah, and I was talking to Hawkeye on that. Let's go, because on these 727s are printing. Let's go. But let's go to you, Heather, on that as well. See if we can get down below. Let me see. See, I got a level on this motherfucker. Give me a second. 120.60. 120.60. See if we can get there.
Let's go. Hawkeye, what was your next target on Qs, did you say? Or your target on Qs?
723.
Oh, good. I'm at 722.50. That's what I thought you said.
I took the 725 puts for next week.
Ticker coin. 150 puts for today up 20%. I'll move these stops up.
Ticker with QQQ. The level I'm looking for is 726.60. 726.60.
Yeah, I talked about this a couple days ago that we could get that 20-day test down at like 723 now. So it's moving up from 720, but
Ticker QQQ 727 puts up 60%, moving stops up. Ticker BMY starting to catch that bid. See if we can get closer to 58. These 58s that expired today up 183%. Moving up stops. My 60s that expire in 2 weeks up 42%, and my 62 and a halves for July up 39%. Moving stops up. BMY.
Guys, ticker, Walmart. Fully bully on Walmart. The fuck?
Yeah, Walmart looked strong the other day when I was looking at it.
Yo, you know what? This thing, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear
Yeah,
us?
I hear you. That's why I responded to you.
That's crazy, bro. It says I'm not in the. It says I'm not in the space. Like there's no space on my screen right now. It's saying I'm not here. Like I can't even
Stealth
unmute or
mode.
mute myself. Hold on. Let me close the app and see. I'll be right back. All right. Can you guys hear me now or no?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. That was weird. Walmart. Three white soldiers on a five, and it's about to form here on the 10. The 10, I have the 500 EMA right here. So if we cross over that at 120, it's good night, Irene, for shorts.
Ticker Broadcom 610 380p.
What the hell just happened?
I don't
I
know what
don't know.
happened.
I don't know. The space is acting crazy today, bro. Like it's doing some weird shit.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jim. Make sure you got guys. Make sure your app is updated on this thing, because that's probably one of the reasons.
Ticker MUU. I'm short at 808.
Ticker. AMD is trying to drill. AMD trying to drill. These 492 and a half lottos that I got up 28%. Let's see if we can go in the money. Ticker. Also keep an eye on CVS. CVS is ready to go test that previous 98 mid high. Look like it's prone to take that out. I'm in the 110s for September. CVS 110s September. See you at the top. Remember, we played this up on the earnings run up. Any of my co-hosts paying attention?
Yeah, that was a beautiful play.
Yes, sir.
No, I was just talking about the screen. No, I'm talking about the screen. I see OS is trying to request.
Yeah,
I got him
I
though.
brought him up a couple times.
Yeah, the
I
app
think
is
DB did too.
just remember the app is it's not doing good today, so keep that in mind.
So if you haven't updated your app, I noticed that my app has been needing to be updated every day this week. If you haven't updated your app, update your app. I'm not going to be bringing people up 40 times.
Super nice move now on Micron, about $20 in the money, $30 in the money on the short. I'm still holding. I think this thing could really flush. Q's, like I said, my target's about 723. If we lose Kev, 726.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Ticker. QQQ 727. Taking first trim. Also moving stops up 120%. See if we can actually go through that level that Divine talked about. My next level down is 722.40, which is pretty close to Hawkeye 723. See if we can get there.
And I'm at 722.50. Confluence.
Indeed.
Walmart boy, fully bully on the Walmart.
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Yeah, boy. If you guys took that USAR short, congrats, man. This thing is off to drilling. They might need to switch this to oil exploration on USAR.
Ticker. AMD 492.5. 0 to TE up 77%. Moving stops up. AMD is in drill mode. I tried to told you. Stop playing with me. So the 487 is the level that it needs, the support level it needs to hold. If it can't hold 487, to me, the next support level down is 472. But you could see a pit stop at 475. AMD is in drill team 6, boy. We're just going to ride these out.
Yes, sir.
Covered a little double Micron 770 from the 808 short. Just a little, holding most.
Man, it feel good to get the direction right early. You can just sit back and chill, boy.
Sit back and chill. Oh my gosh. Fucking GEV, man. Missed that short. GEV right here on the 10. Looks like it could bounce. If it bounces here, it could go back to at least 1,000. First target will be 965 on GEV.
Ticker. I'm going to size for Lotto, but trying to get filled on some QQQ 720 puts because I want to see if it can get down that low.
Let's go.
Welcome to the party.
Yep, that's my target. 720, 723, somewhere in that area.
Okay.
Boy, I'm looking at a big ass motherfucking H pattern on coin that looked like it's trying to play that actually just played out. Once it took out 156.28. So as long as it stays below 156.28, to me the next level down I got is 147.70 coin, 147.70. And I've been posting that weekly coin chart in the group, man. So you guys see, we were right in front of this.
Sure did.
Yes, sir.
All right, here goes Meta under my level. Come on, baby.
Here we go. MicroStrategy's about to take that low out, about to have a full blowout.
Yes, sir.
The Bulls ain't gonna even want to go out. The Bulls ain't even gonna want to go out because they don't want to see the Bears show out.
Mm-mm.
All right, I got my update finally. Sorry, Kev.
All good, bro.
All right, here comes this Meta drill. Let's go, boy, on a 621, 620.50 on Meta. Let's go.
So this is for me a tremendous pivot on the market. Start losing things like SPX 7500. You could really start to see the volatility pick up and really maybe drive us down in to another 20 to but 10 another 10 to 20 points on SPY. So not today, but it is something that you need to be monitoring.
Yeah, financials look pretty good
Ticker, ticker,
today.
ticker, ticker, ticker. Size for Lotto just added some MicroStrategy 115s. I'm one under you, Heather, grabbing the 115 puts.
Let's go.
What is this going on here, bro?
I may trail you on that one.
Ticker, ticker, ticker. I'm taking today.
So keep an eye on AMD right now. AMD kind of held up that 487 level, held up thus far. I don't think it will eventually, subsequently, watching AMD trend down to about 472.
a big push on AMD down. Let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
A lot of things today below their put walls. This is one of those days where, as much as you want to buy the dip, I'd be very cautious about buying the dip. Um, this is like squeezing. This is like shorting the squeeze, right? It's like yesterday. So I know yesterday we bought the dip and it went up, but this is the reverse. Very much fade the pop type of regime, and the floor is going to continuously be moving.
Yep, I'm just short Micron and chilling. I trimmed all my swings starting last Friday and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week. And yeah, I'm mostly in cash, ready to buy the dip, but I'm day trading to the short side in the meantime. And I'm not buying the dip today.
Short everything and chill. Shout out to Divine.
I would love to see 852 on MU.
Ticker, ticker, ticker. Coin puts up 200%. Apologies.
So watching how we respond here, SPX 7500. This is also exactly where our expected move was. I think we'll initially find a small bounce off of here, but I would watch for suppression. I'm going to take a call after I see some relative response, but I'd be very cautious on buying calls, like I said.
Ticker, 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 ticker. Taking my next trim on these QQQ 727 puts up 207%. Down the runners, letting the runners see if we can run through that 720 area. I got 722 as the next support level down. Also, moving up stops and locking in some profit on these QQQ 150s that expire today, up 120%. Looks like QQQ is making the move that I thought it would. Also, moving up the stops on my, I said QQ coin. Coin is what I meant. Coin. I'm still here looking at QQ. Sorry, I misspoke. My coin 150 puts. My coin 150 puts. Also, my 150 puts for next week up 98%. Moving up the stops on those. Also, looking at AMD, my AMD 492 and a half puts that expired today up 145%. Moving up the stops on those. So, boom, short everything and chill. Shout out to Divine. Ticker, ticker, ticker. Also, ticker, ticker. MicroStrategy 115 puts just got in these up 58%. So the drill is real. Also, the 120 MicroStrategy puts the runners that I have up 200%. Taking next trim, allowing a couple runners left. Yeah, that drill is real on them cues, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Man, the Qs look ultra weak, man.
Yes, sir, they do. It's quiet when everybody is concentrating. Ticker, ticker, ticker. MicroStrategy 115 puts up 80%. Moving up stops. Heather, did you join?
I did. I'm in the 15s
Let's
and
go.
16s. Let's go.
Let's
Over
go.
300% on the 16s.
Nice.
I'm watching Dell here just to let everybody know. It came down and dipped below 400. It's now back above 400. I want to see if it retests, drops, breaks the 400, and holds it. That's going to be a killer short if it does. Look at Master. Jeez, oh Pete.
I,
Beautiful.
I,
Yes, ma'am.
I think,
Drill that bitch.
I think those things are in such. People need to be so worried about this. Did y'all hear about that coin, that stable coin that got hacked? Or
Yeah,
could Claude found it
yeah.
that it can make unlimited
Zcash.
tokens? What's it called?
Zcash.
You talking about
Zcash.
Zcash?
Yeah, man, that's bad for crypto.
I mentioned that this morning.
Whoa.
Also known as Z Flash Crash.
Yeah, that thing's done though. Nobody should buy another one of those. Oh,
Biddy is below the weekly lows, and let's see if it can. It looks like it's going to test 60K today.
Bitcoin.
Yes, sir. The corn.
Yep. We got some numbers out that we put out yesterday for the low. I don't know if we got BBs. BB, did you put one in yesterday?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he's
Okay,
on there.
Heather. Kev, did you put one in yesterday for your prediction on low of Bitcoin?
No, I didn't see it. Sorry.
Well, when you got
Joanne will
time,
get it from you. She's got the spreadsheet.
yeah, when you got some time, just take a look at it. We're just one of those, wall bets.
That so
Ticker,
the,
ticker, 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 ticker. Locking in on Coinbase. 150 puts for next week, up 100%. Down to
Oh boy.
runners.
Clap cheeks, you heard?
nice.
Clap cheeks. But I think I threw that chart in the group an obnoxious amount of times. I'm just saying. I hope y'all didn't miss it.
Not at all.
Yo, these meta calls are printing. I don't even want to call calls. I told you, as soon as it lost at 621, it's at 615.50. My target is 610 for meta.
No, I missed it. I was too busy juggling all these puts. These Coinbase puts, these MicroStrategy puts, these QQQ puts, these AMD puts. Bro, I'm sorry. I missed it. I can't help it. Just happens like that sometimes.
Yeah, boy, you cooking over there. It's all
It,
But on a good note, my MicroStrategy 115 puts up 80%. So my 120 runners is up 230%. So we're just gonna let those melt.
See, what happened was the cash pile got too big in front of the screen. You couldn't see what you're doing.
Now I just wasn't watching Meta. I wasn't watching anything to the upside. And if someone essentially just didn't grab my hand and force me, like, "Hey man, buy them now," then I'm not paying attention to what nobody's
He
talking about
said
right
calls,
now.
but I'm 90% certain he meant puts.
He means puts. He means
Oh,
puts. You can
okay.
buy
Because if
calls.
it isn't
Yeah.
calls, it'd be
Okay.
0%.
Yeah. I'm like, hold on,
Yeah.
call. 'Cause I still ain't looked at it. See, that's how I didn't know that. I'm watching. I'm watching my
wait. I
screen.
said
Sorry.
calls. My bad.
Yeah, like 6 times.
You did.
My
I
bad.
know
Yeah,
you
I
meant
did too.
puts. I know you meant
My
puts.
bad, guys. My bad.
Shit, boy.
The 615 puts I gave up 150% trim.
Ticker QQQ
I'm
610
I'm not.
puts up 20% first half out.
Boom.
Yeah, I don't even know why I bought like 5, 6, well, whatever.
Ticker, 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 ticker. Taking my first trim on these MicroStrategy 115 puts up 115%.
Let's go. And ticker AAOX and AAOI going back to 200. Again, this thing is fully bully today. Again, move up stops on AOX, add more.
And guys, if you see green, take it because I know it looks like everything's going to continue going down, but Trump doesn't like a bear market, bearish market, not bear market. So it can flip at any time.
No wiser words have ever been spoken. No wiser words have ever been spoken.
I think I'm going to get some Apple 310 puts for next week. Not thinking, I'm looking. All right. 310 puts it is.
Ticker, ticker. Nice. Hell yeah. Ticker, 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 ticker. BAC, Bank of America, starting to bounce back. These $55 calls I got for July 17th, up 114%. So it looks like the banks could be bouncing back if BAC is looking good. Check your bank calls.
Yeah, finance was looking strong this morning. Financials.
Yeah, so check your bank calls. Don't call the bank.
Damn. USAR $30 puts for today, up 500%.
Boom.
Lord of mercy.
CRDO held the 20-day moving average, the 20 EMA for the third day in a row. Fourth day, because on earnings it sold off to there. So that's around 200. That's where I bought the dip on CRDU. And then the next day, and today, it tested it in the cash session and held. Like I said, they're rumored for S&P inclusion, so we'll see.
Which ticker, Divine? I'm sorry.
CRDO
Thank you.
and 20-day moving average is around 200. Lines up with the psych level, so it's the key hold.
Ticker, Walmart, 125 calls, 180%.
Real quick. Looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, both looking like they are having those bigger time frame H play outs to the downside. That's what allowed me to short MicroStrategy and coin so effectively. Looking at looking at gold over both of those, looking like they're still continuing to trend to the downside. Currently, getting a bit of a bounce, but yeah, it's just weak right now. Looking at dust pulling back from the highs, but looks strong overall. FAS looks weak as hell overall. Just keeping an eye on that. You had a surge on the 10-year earlier, and the surge on the 10-year had it kind of consolidating, but now it's kind of pulling back slightly to see how that ends up turning out. The RSP potential Morningstar reversal intraday on the 15-minute time frame. Mags is getting a nice little bounce. You see the VIX and VVIX getting a bit of a pullback. The general market subsequently is getting a bounce. You see SPY Qs, the Russell, the Dow with a Morningstar reversal on the 15-minute time frame, keeping an eye on that because the Dow tends to lift the market. Amazon getting a bit of a bounce, trying to hold a value area, see if that can happen. MicroStrategy still looks weak as hell. Microsoft still looks weak as hell. See a big ass 2-hour H that look like it's starting to play out on Microsoft. So I might want to be looking at some Microsoft puts as well. Looking at Google, Google looks actually quite strong, surprisingly strong is Google. Nvidia looks like it's ready to take out the lows. Meta look like it's hanging out the lows. Tesla look like it's full drill team 6. And damn, I closed those 415s out at the fucking gate. I'd be up like a motherfucker. Sorry about that. Palantir looking like it's trying to bounce. Micron trying to bounce. AMD trying to bounce, but all look weak overall. Netflix looks strong, super duper strong out the gate, but got a big ass rejection on Netflix. Broadcom full bear on Broadcom. Look like it's ready for that next leg down. Hood trying to bounce, but still looks weak. Adobe trying to bounce, but still looks weak. Intel, just the same story across the board. I don't see any signs of strength except UNH. Shout out to Bull Bear.
Yes, sir.
ticker. Moving up stops on my micro strategy 120 puts up 330%. Moving up stops on my micro strategy 115 puts up 116%. Moving up stops on my coin 150 puts for next week up 104%. And my coin 150 puts that expired today up 130%. Also moving up the stops on my Broadcom that finally come to life. Broadcom, fuck. My 397 and a half puts now finally up 37%. Just got a bad buy-in on those. Moving up stops.
Whoa, what is this on Meta? Ooh, let's go, boy.
It looks like a drill, bro. I almost forgot I bought these damn Broadcoms. This motherfuckers was performing so bad.
Watching these cues, it looks like it could eventually play out into an H pattern. Let's see.
Ticker. Broadcom shorts up 22%, half out.
Yeah, I ain't long with nothing. I got runners, got Q runners. I'm just gonna sit in. Coin runners. I'm just gonna sit in. I'm not adding anything. No, I'm not adding anything. I got MicroStrategy runners. I'm sitting in. I'm just gonna hang out in those. Don't plan on adding anything. Oh, also I got some silver 65 runners that I'm just gonna hang out in. Those are 256%.
Oil's dropping too.
Damn, I should have took that GEV trade to back to the top side. Shh, that was a nice bounce there on GEV.
Oh, ticker. Johnson catching that bid.
Yes,
Man, my
sir.
my my my
Awesome.
250s are alive now. Let's go. My 250s for June catching that full
Yes,
bid. Let's go.
yes, sir. My 240s for July are up 85%.
Well, the bid ask spread is weird on it right now. It's kind of wide. It's telling me I'm up. It's telling me I'm up 80% right now, but it looks like it's more close to like 40%. So I couldn't sell it for this up 80% price. I know that.
Yeah, Nokia. If you're playing zeros, guys, make sure you're for today paying attention. It's gonna sound crazy, but the 2 minute for entry and exits. You're playing zeros. If you go to the 2 minute and look at Meta, you'll see that Morningstar reversal, which is what we're getting right now. So you're playing zeros. You could use the 2 minutes for entry and exits. Only for zeros.
I don't. Good morning. Whoop. Sorry, muted
Just
everybody. Wrong button.
okay, just had a couple of call outs on ticker Apple. Is pushing. I'm not in it, but I am taking calls for next week. And then AJ, I'm sorry, I came into the space late. Do you have your VIX pivot for the day that you'd be willing to share again?
Is he here?
1579. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, if you know the answer to something, just go ahead and say it, share it. Careful with your Walmart calls here, printing and a 15, a hanging man. That's a bearish signal, so just be careful for a pullback here on WMT.
Careful with coin as well.
Ticker, 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 AALX from 61 to 70. Re-ads from 52, 53 to 70.
That's a killer one, AJ. AOI is just insane today.
Bless your heart for telling me about AOX. I can't stop playing this thing.
You're welcome.
Heather, look at the 15 on Meta. Look where it's bouncing at.
Let's see. Probably the 500.
Indeed.
Mine's always locked and loaded, so sure is. Looks like a Morning Star reversal could be coming into play too.
Yep.
Attain their $400 price target for 2026.
If this can't play out back to the upside, this is gonna dump so hard right now
Oh
on
yeah,
Meta. If it can't,
100%.
if it can't get back over that 619 level, RIP.
It's breaking the 500 now. I don't see that happening. Do you?
Uh, let me see here. I got,
How much time's left on this candle? We still have 9 minutes on this candle, so
yeah, and the 10 is already yeah. Watch the 15
but
here.
on the 10 it looks like a bear flag.
Yeah,
So I think this is going to dump.
yep. It looks like it's setting up to dump.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, that's a not. Look at Nokia 15. Look what it did. That's crazy. Everything is bouncing right here.
Algos.
Yep.
But they're chasing our stops. They know where our stops are.
I know.
Dumbest ass thing I've ever heard.
Yeah. Bro, these candles on Meta are wild.
They're crazy, aren't they?
The low on this 15-minute candle just now was 617 and it's over 619 now. Look, see? We have to you need a 15-minute close over 619 for continuation.
I think it's going to bounce up and reject, right? Where are we at? 620 ish.
Getting a small pullback on J&J, Johnson and Johnson. Ticker
No,
COI.
Johnson still looks strong. Johnson and Johnson looks strong. Amgen looks super duper strong. Merck looks strong. Yeah, they all look strong. Big Pharma looks strong.
Yeah.
Ticker Micron just rejected the hourly 5 SMA at 946. Now it needs to lose 930.
Perfect rejection off the cloud, coming back down, forming that H pattern just like we thought.
Hmm. Oh yeah, they're playing.
Okay, so Hammock just said in a nutshell, yada yada, stable. By contrast, inflation is telling a different story. It's high, moving higher. And I believe persistently high inflation is the bigger concern. When I'm out in the district, I'm starting to hear from people that they don't think things are going to get better anytime soon. It would be a bad development if consumers, businesses, and financial markets.
Man, I'm about to short Disney.
Man, this thing is holding on for dear life. 650, 640.
There goes Tesla. Whee!
Yeah, I'm so mad about that.
Ditto.
Ticker.
Yeah,
Coin breaking its aggregate put wall at 152.40.
Let's go. Up 151% on those 150s.
Let's go.
Master 116 up 500%.
Ticker. Q's taking 720 puts for Monday.
Let's go.
I like that.
I also like the Friday 720 puts next Friday.
Hey,
I'm gonna start scaling
Bull Bear,
in.
you say Johnson and Johnson pulling back. Look at that. Look at it again. That motherfucker about to fly.
Oh yeah, it's ready to hit.
Johnson and Johnson's
Johnson
about to
and
fly.
Johnson. Yes,
No
sir.
Diddy. Yeah, I got next resistance for Johnson and Johnson at 234, and if it clears that, it's fireworks.
Yes, sir. These 240s are printing, boy.
Keep your eyes on your staples, guys. You got Walmart, Costco, McDonald's, Target. You want to keep your eyes on all your staples, healthcare.
Oh, look at Bitcoin drilling. It's about to lose 60K here soon. Oh shit! Look at this tick on Walmart. WMT, boy.
Yes, sir.
Ticker, Micron, beautiful rejection. Like $15 a share on that rejection. And losing the key 5-minute level that I talked about, so you can stay in and just don't let it go red. And yeah, obviously Tesla lost the 420 early, and that was it for Tesla. That was the key level to hold. So I did not get the Tesla short, but I'm happy with my Micron short.
I just jumped into an iBit Lotto for today. Zero's $34 put on iBit. Got billed at 24 cents.
What did I miss? What you just buy?
I bet I took the $34 shorts. It's currently at
Ah, yeah.
34.20. I got in at 24 cents for a zero.
Nice. Look at this drill on MicroStrategy. These 120 runners up 416%. The 115s, I got in late on those, up 183%. My coin, I'm no longer in the 150s for today, but I got the 150s for next week. The runners on those up 116%. Let's get this drill, boy. Looking like my big pharma. My big pharma's about to push. My Bristol Meyer has woken up. My Johnson & Johnson is making a nice move. No Diddy. Stop paying attention to my Johnson & Johnson.
Oh,
I'm
pause.
weak.
Oh
You
shit.
said my
Now that we
just
established that, I can ticker Tesla, 380p, June 18th.
I'm not going to touch Tesla just because of the SpaceX thing next week. I'm going to let it ride, see what happens. I missed the zeros, or I would have taken those. But
ticker MRK Merck 117 calls for 618 are up 95%. MRK.
nice. You know what I wanted to look at is ABBB because that was the lagger yesterday. Let me look.
Yeah. Yeah, me
No,
pay
Abby V
attention
was
to
the
them.
strong one yesterday. That Abby V was Ripper Magoo yesterday.
Yeah, but it was
Ticker
lagging the others. Go ahead.
ticker JB Hunt up almost 2% today. These 280 calls for 618 are up 185%. And GitLab 25 calls for 618 up 200%. Move up your stops on those.
Nice.
Boom. Nice hold on JB Hunt. I didn't hold it.
Yeah, GitLab's moving.
Is this coin China bounce here, Riley? This a coin bounce here or
It's sitting right on the aggregate put wall.
Zero chance. Zero.
X.
Zero. Ain't happening, happening. Just saying.
Hey, happening,
So
happening.
so look at that weekly time frame, bro. If you look at that weekly time frame and you see that weekly H, you see the weekly break of that trend line support, and you see that it's going to 140.
Indeed.
And if the H plays out, it's probably going to go to 120. Not today. That would be a record.
Yeah, I mean, I have 141.38, but I'm seeing here on the 5 is trying to print a Morningstar reversal, and then the 10 is trying to print a double bottom. So,
I mean,
that's just
definitely a reversion bounce. I look at this 1 hour time frame and I see that the 5 is at like 156, and if it actually bounces, it'll probably go as high as about 157. 157.50, and it possibly get back as high as 160. I don't think it will though, but definitely a reversion bounce here to set the H up.
yeah. Oh, Meta is melting again. Oh, this is a H.
Oh yeah, Meta is finna melt. Meta looks like fuck. Meta looks like 608 melt possibly. Let me see if I can get me
Yes,
some Meta
sir.
puts, man. I might give me some Lotto puts down to like 600 or something.
You said this shit's
Yeah, I like 600 for next week.
Its daily floor is 602.93 on Meta.
all right. Well, coin. Remember what I told you guys about the 2 minute for zeros? Go look on the 2 minute on coin. Remember, you only use it for entry and exits for zeros. Yeah, there's that morning star reversal playing out on a 5 and 10 double. It's probably just gonna chop around here too.
Yeah, I don't know. I might start adding some Meta 605s for today. Those look real frisky. Like those look real 1000% ish.
I just hit that button. Literally, as you said that.
Market leader Walmart up almost 2.5% today so far. Damn, absolute insane bounce here on coin.
Aggregate put wall.
So the latest Trump tweet is with the greatest job report numbers this morning, stocks only go up. So over under a tape bomb headline coming from him in like 24 hours. I take the
Over or under, he does what?
look at his latest. He said based on today's job report numbers, stocks only go up. As of 1 minute ago.
Yeah, but what did you say he does in a couple of days? He takes what?
No, his usual playbook. Send a tape bomb, and market takes it based on this exact tweet of him saying stocks only go up. Must have looked at his Robinhood account this morning.
Yeah.
And be like, shit, my AMD is smoke, my Intel is smoke.
First target I have on this coin bounce is 154.65.
SpaceX IPO is said to draw more orders than shares available.
Yeah, I mean not Fidelity, like California. I don't even know what's happening. They made some other rules and some other shit. But VIX is just hovering around T1. So VIX T1 for today is 1650. We just keep going over under since this morning. So I can't pick a direction because we're just going to chop you.
Is Bitcoin bouncing? BTC. Oh no, it did. Bitcoin got a nice little bounce. That's why coin is bouncing. Bitcoin double bottomed here at 60K, 63.37. If you guys were listening to me earlier, I mentioned that the charts are pretty almost identical. Coin is following BTC clearly. Coin is about to hit my target right here to the upside.
Yep, let's see if it holds.
That is crazy.
To me, it's got to get above 155.93 and hold that. But there's a lot of traffic above us on coin.
Oh shit, 6:37. All right, guys, I'm out of here, man. I'll see you guys on Monday if anything. Good luck trading today, and if you see green, you take your green.
Have a good weekend.
See you. Have a nice weekend.
Send your prayers to
Bye.
you.
Thanks, BB.